How do you remove echo from a recording? I'm sorry. How do you remove echo from a recording? This is like one problem when you make songs with AI. For example, this music. Listen to it. Kind of weird, right? There is kind of a hum, a hiss, some kind of... You feel like you are in a church listening to this. Let's fix this issue with neural analog. Let me go to my studio. I paste the link. And this way I can import the Suno song. I can also upload a file or import from other AI platforms such as Udio, Sonauto, Topmedia. Okay, my song is here, banging. Let's start by splitting the stems. This means separating the different instruments. This makes it easier to work with. So I click on the Split Stems tab. Then I select the preset called 4 stems, bass, drums, vocals, and others. And I just click on Extract Stems. The stem separation quality is much higher than with AI or the default Suno stem splitter, which is why I like to use neural analog. The drums are pretty dry, they don't have a lot of reverb. However, it's the other instruments, which are all the melodic instruments, that have too much reverb. It feels like they never really stop playing, like it's all sustained, like it has a lot of room. Let's go to the Enhance tab. Let's click on this drop down and select Remove Reverb. Then you just click on Start Restoration. This is much higher quality than some real-time plugins you can find online. Indeed, these plugins need to run in real times, which means that they only observe like a few milliseconds of the sound. Here, it analyzes the whole song all at once, which allows it to be higher quality. Very good tool to have as a producer. Okay, let's listen to it. Okay, this has removed a lot of reverb. Let's compare. And this is before. And you see you can vary the intensity of the effect using this little slider here. So let's listen to all the instruments together and let's figure out what is the best mix we like. I click on solo here so that all the instruments are selected and I click on play on the top. Right here is pretty great. Let's export either only the stem right here by clicking download MP3 wave or FLAC, or the whole song using random mix as MP3 wave or FLAC. There you go. Feel free to subscribe, try it yourself. See you.